Jai Hind everybody. So now we are taking the problems of exercise 7.4, question number 4 and question number 5, which are based on the properties of the triangle, which are the angle opposite to the greater side is greater and side opposite to the greater angle is greater on those properties. This was question number 4. You are given कि ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB and CD are the smallest and the longest side of quadrilateral ABCD. AB is the smallest side of quadrilateral ABCD. This is quadrilateral, and CD is the longest side. And you have to prove that the first part is this. You have to prove angle A greater than angle C. Angle A greater than angle C. This we have to prove. Angle A and angle C. Their inequality we have to prove. Angle A and C relation is there. That is to be asked. So we will join only that diagonal here first. AC. Because we are asked the relation between angle A and angle C. So we will join that for the first part. Now, just look here. Suppose, just look at in triangle ABC. Suppose this is angle X. This is Y, this is Z, and this is W. Is it there? These are the four angles. Angle BAC is X, BC is W, DAC is Y, and this ACD is Z. Now, what you are given the first thing, AB is the smallest side. Now look, in triangle ABC, what is given? AB is the smallest side. In triangle ABC क्या होगा? AB is the smallest side. It means AB will be less than BC or not, because AB is the smallest side. As AB is the smallest side. If AB is the smallest side, it means AB should be less than BC. And if AB is less than BC, therefore, what will happen? Angle opposite to these sides will be smaller. What is the angle opposite to AB? That is W. Angle W will be less than, what is the BC? X. W will be less than X. Angle X. Is it okay? This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now, in triangle, just look at this triangle ACD. Yeah, ADC. What is given? CD is the longest side. CD is the longest side. It means what will happen? CD will be greater than what? CD will be greater than AD. AD because CD is the longest side. CD is the longest side. Or we can say, if CD is greater than AD, if CD is greater than AD, it means AD is less than CD. We can write this. It means AD is less than what? Can you tell me? CD. AD is less than CD. Then angle opposite to the smaller side is smaller. Now what is the angle opposite to AD? This Z. It means angle Z is less than, what is opposite to CD? Y. Opposite to Y, and this is your equation number 2. It's okay? Is it there? Here just W is less than X and Z is less than Y. Now adding first and second, what will happen? Look at the left hand side. W plus Z. W plus Z. This less than symbol is here, is equal to X plus Y. X plus Y. Now tell me, W plus Z is which angle? C. And this is A. It means angle C is less than angle A. Angle C is less than angle A. And we have to prove, or you can say angle A is greater than angle C. So this is proved. First part is proved. Angle A is greater than angle C. Angle C. Now for the second part, कि angle B is greater than D. Angle B is greater than D. So now just look here. We will construct this quadrilateral. Now we have to find a relation between B and D, angle B and angle D. So we will join this diagonal. Then we will join this diagonal. Is it okay? But here we have joined A to C because we have to find the relation there between angle A and angle C. Here we have to find the relation between angle B and angle D. So we will join these 2 points. Now same condition here. Just look. Suppose this is angle small a. This is B. And this is C and this is D. It's okay. Now again you have 2 triangles. Which one? ACD and BCD. In triangle ABC, A, B, D, A, B, D. What is there? AB is the smallest side. AB is the smallest side. It means AD will be greater than AB or not? AD will be greater than AB because it is given there. AB is smallest. AB is smallest. Therefore, angle opposite to these. What is the angle opposite to AD? This A will greater than angle C. Suppose this is equation number 3. Again, just look at another triangle. In triangle BCD, what is there? CD is the longest side. CD is the longest side. It means CD will be greater than what? What is the another side of this triangle? BC. BC. Origin CD is longest. CD is longest. Therefore, angle opposite to these sides will be in this manner. CD is greater than this. What is the angle opposite to CD? B. And this will be greater than, what is the angle opposite to BC? That is D. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now, adding 3 and 4. What we will get? Just look here. See the left hand side. A plus B will be greater than what? C plus D. C plus D. And therefore, what is A plus B? This one. Angle B greater than C plus D is this angle, and this angle is angle D. Angle D. So now these two parts are proved. These two parts are proved. The first part, angle A is greater than angle C, and the second one is angle B is greater than angle D. Angle D. Now just look at this question number 5. It is given in the figure PR is greater than PQ. This is triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR. It's okay. And it is given PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ. And PX bisects angle PQR. This PS is the bisector of this angle. It is given. Now, we are naming them. Suppose this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. These are the names of the angles. Now, just first thing, what you are given? You are given PR is greater than PQ. This is triangle PQR, and this PR is greater than PQ. It means the angle will be opposite to these sides will be in the same manner. So what is the angle opposite to angle PR? 3. And this 4. It means angle 3 is greater than angle 4. This is equation number 1. Now PS is the bisector of this one. QPR. PS bisects angle QPR. It means angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. It means angle 1 and 2 will be equal. Yani angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to X. For a short while we have taken it. If both are equal to X. Is it okay? Now, just look at the right hand side triangle. This one. PRS. Is it there? Angle 5. For this triangle, angle 5 is exterior. This is the angle 5. For right hand triangle PRS, what is there? This angle 5 is exterior to these two. For this triangle PRS. So this angle 5 will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. And what are those two angles? Angle 2 plus angle 4. So we have written in triangle PRS, angle 5 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Okay. Similarly, in triangle PQS, for this left hand side triangle, this angle number 6, this is exterior. This is exterior for this. So this exterior angle will be also equal to the sum of angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3. Is it okay? Because the exterior angle of a triangle, is equal to sum of its two opposite interior angles. Is it there? The sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. It means angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 6 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Is it okay? Now from equation first, what is given there? Angle 3 was given greater than angle 4. Angle 3 is, ठीक है? Angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Now I am adding both side x. Here adding x in both side. Both side I am adding x. So what will happen? Under root 3 plus x again greater than angle 4 plus x. If angle 3 is greater than angle 4, then angle 3 plus x will be greater than angle 4 plus x. Now tell me, what was the x? Either it was 1 or it was 2. Can we write in place of this x angle 3 plus angle 1, and in place of this x angle 4 plus angle 2? What is x? Either angle 1 or 2. So I am writing in place of this x angle 1 and in place of this x angle 2. Is it okay? Now angle 3 plus angle 1. Just look here. This is angle 3 plus angle 1 is exterior angle 6. That's the reason I have written angle 6. This greater than side is here, symbol is here, and there is angle 4 plus angle 2. Angle 4 plus angle 2. Where is angle 4 plus angle 2? This one. Either angle 2 plus angle 4 and angle 4 plus angle 2. The same thing is there. And this is equal to what? 5. This is equal to 5. So I have written here, the angle 6 is greater than angle 5. And now the last line. Here, this is the last line. What is angle 6? This was angle 6, which was PSR. PSR. And what is angle 5? PQS. Any angle PSR is greater than PSQ. PSQ. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.